Blood transmission complications are any undesirable or harmful reactions or events that occurs during or after the transmission of blood. Blood complications such as whole blood, pocket, red blood cells, plasma, or platelets may occur immediately or acute complication during transmission of blood within 24 hours. Delayed complications means after some days or week after transmission. These are also complication of blood transmission, congestive cardiac failure. Transmission reactions means hepatitis B virus, hepatitis C virus. Incompatibility, major and minor reactions with fever, rigor, pain, and hypotension. Paraxyl reactions due to pyrogenic ingredients in the blood. Next one is allergic reaction, sensitization to and platelets, immunological sensitization also. Next one is infection means due to serum hepatitis, hiv, bacterial infection, malaria. These are the complications of blood transmission.